go. We're gonna talk about our technique first. So obviously, you're gonna do your heel leads when you're going forward, and it's gonna be totally going back. So we're gonna brush, step, brush right here, and then we're gonna go up, down, roll through those feet, and step, brush, and up, down, step, brush, and up, down, step, brush, and up, down, step, and up, down. Make sure that you guys are brushing on both those steps. Make sure that you're going step, brush, and I'm softening the knees there, step, brush, push from this bent leg, which from the gentleman's perspective is the right leg, lady is going to be the left, and you want to go up, you're reaching up, and then immediately coming down, and you're rolling back into those knees so you can launch again. Okay, you don't want to go up and then fall down, okay? You want to make sure that you kind of collect yourself and then brush again, okay? It's the same if you're doing promenade or whatever, make sure it's that up down, okay? Getting into our grapevine, okay? Slow, quick. And I'm actually going to roll her shoulder up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and I squeeze her side close right on the So to end it, make sure on the last crossing step that you do, that you start to give her a little bit of a squeeze to the frame so that she knows on the next step, she's got to go side close, okay? Let's do that one more time. Step, brush, and up, down, step, brush, step, and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up, down. Okay? Now, we talked a little bit about the box. We did a couple of different things, how to lead into it, and then also the brushing technique, because it is really different actually in the box. When I take that first step forward, I'm going to do basic first. When I take that first step forward, and I want to do box, make sure you're already giving her that hook to the side. And then step, brush, and up, down, step, And I would lead every box you do. You don't have to, but I think it's a little clearer for the lady. Okay? All right, let's see, sway step, okay? Sway step, you're gonna lead her by just sort of taking her to the side out of a basic. So let me do a basic, here we go. Slow, and up, down, and sway 1, sway 2, sway 3, sway 4, and side together basic, okay? If you want to add the underarm turn, which is actually what we spent most of our time on, you're going to have to step away from her on that 4th sway, okay? So it's going to be a diagonal step back, rock back, and close that foot. And I suggested that you leave that left foot where it is, so that when you go to close, you're just going back to the same distance the two of you had, okay? Try not to do another back rock on that, okay? You'll be too far away. So here we go. Slow, quick, sway 1, sway 2, sway 3, I back up, she turns, I collect, and we continue. Bottom, bump, 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 bottom, bump, bump. I'll do that again from this angle. Bump, bottom, 2, 3, 4, up, down, and I go get her. Okay? Let's see. We also practiced the underarm turn for promenade, okay? You're gonna lead that on your first slow, okay? So if we turn for promenade, slow, quick, slow, she turns, slow, quick, and you just come right back and get her, okay? So just don't lead it until the quick. The sway with underarm turn is the only one where she's actually turning on a quick, okay? Make sure the other one you wanna give her enough time, okay? We didn't talk about this, but let me, since we're videotaping it anyway, when you do your turn, make sure you're spotting your head. Make sure you try to do most of your rotation on that first step. So you're gonna go slow, quick, right? Because you gotta collect. So it's slow, you join them on this way. Okay, so that's just something else to keep in mind too. Let's you and I try that once. Okay. Go right into our turn. Slow, here we go. Quick, rotation, good, and up, down. Okay, it's fast. Okay, something to practice. But yeah, so you want to create a lot of rotation here, collect. You see how I brought my feet together? Then up, down. Okay? So try that. Definitely try that. Mm-hmm.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, the other thing I want to say too is when you guys are doing your brushing, right? We talked about taking your step and brush. Make sure that you guys are offset. Okay? If you guys are completely square shoulder to shoulder, you're going to knock knees. You're going to knock toes. So just make sure you guys are offset.
Okay. How about
yes,
the rock step?
Rock step.
Yeah.
So let's go into that sort of like that sit spin that we were talking about. So we're going to go slow, quick, also, I'm gonna do this independently so you can see my feet. You can also travel that turn, okay? So initially you're gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, rock, rock. You see I'm keeping that front foot in place, okay? I'm sort of rocking on my heels there. If I want to travel it, I'm actually going to pick up that foot. So I'm going to go step and move it, step and move it. I'm picking up that front foot. Still end it side together, okay? Make sure your weight's on your right, and then side together, and then keep going, okay?
Cool.
Good.
Is that
Caroline.